the output from these batteries in our cells drops by about 70%.
Damn.
Can you imagine running your house on 70% less energy? This is a huge topic. All of those things have one thing in common. Specifically, they're rooted in something called mitochondrial dysfunction. So let me unpack that for you. When I was in college, we all learned about this little organelle in all of our cells, except for red blood cells, called the mitochondria. And I have to say it, what is the mitochondria? It's the powerhouse of the cell, right? So it's the thing that makes energy. What we didn't know at the time is that as we get older, the output from these batteries in our cells drops by about 70%.
Damn.
Can you imagine running your house on 70% less energy? Well, how fundamentally that would change what happens in your house. Like, you could not run the laundry the same way. You could not run the microwave and the laundry at the same time.
And what does that look like in terms of symptoms?
Excellent question, because what it looks like is, depending on the cell type that we're talking about, that's going to have the issue. So if we're talking about the liver's going to get more fatty. If we're talking about the heart's going to become more congested. If we're talking about the brain, it's going to have more dementia. And so what's happening here is that as we get older, the batteries in our cells are not working the same way